For U.S. President Donald Trump, the tweeted blurt has become a signature tool of policy expression. Trump thumb lectured the Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries on September 21st before a weekend meeting in Algiers of the Joint Ministerial Monitoring Committee representing nations coordinating oil supply. We protect the countries of the Middle East. They would not be safe for very long without us, and yet they continue to push for higher and higher oil prices. We will remember the OPEC monopoly must get prices down now, Trump tweeted. As neither oil market commentary nor international diplomacy does this bristle with insight. The JMMC was to review market assessments and recommend production changes by participants in the late 2016 agreement that has successfully dissipated a stubborn, price-crushing surplus. What the 12 participating OPEC members and 10 non-member collaborators seek is not higher and higher oil prices, but in fact, market balance. Prudent oil exporters know that oil prices forced upward extinguish demand disastrously. With production restraint, the OPEC plus 10 group has achieved an inevitably tenuous balance, keeping oil prices in a range that punishes neither producers nor consumers. It receives help from the inabilities of Libya and Venezuela to produce at implied quota rates. If OPEC plus 10 indeed wanted to raise prices, the method would be a production cut. Because a substantial cut looms, however, pre-meeting murmuring focused on how much production should rise to keep the market balanced. Responsible for that cut is none other than the quick-thumbed resident of the White House. A supply drop of 1.5 million barrels a day is possible when sanctions revisit Iran after Trump's withdrawal from the Joint Comprehensive Plan of Action on Tehran's nuclear development. Trump's thumb-thumping about oil prices cannot have been warmly received by delegates in Algiers. And the president ignores much by implying that the U.S. keeps military forces in the Middle East only to defend countries there. The U.S. has interests in the region too, many related to oil. Misinformed nagging is no way to defend them. I'm Bob Tippie, editor of Oil and Gas Journal, and that's the editor's perspective, which appeared first in text at www.ogj.com on September 21st, 2018. To comment, join the commentary channel at www.ogj.com/oil and gas community.